Dear students, good morning. We are doing problems on coordinate geometry, exercise 3. Exercise 7.1 related to distance formula, finding distance. Distance formula. Second exercise is on section formula. Some triangle point. We did so many problems on 7.2 exercise. Now in 7.3 third exercise, we are finding area of the triangle when three vertices are given. A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. This is Ayer's formula when three sides measurements are given. We did in lower class 8th, 9th. Measurements are given where S is semi-perimeter. Now to do this problem, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are A 2 3, B -1 0, C 2 -4. Say this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now write the formula and solve it. I will give 5 minutes time. Please try. Three vertices are given. Find area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to half modulus x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 x3 of y1 minus y2. Now after writing the formula, see you don't confuse here. Order. X coordinates lies in front of the bracket. In first bracket x1, second bracket x2, third bracket before the third bracket x3. After writing x1, x2, x3, let us write y coordinates. When we are writing here x1, order 1, 2, 3. Next, second coordinate x2. Next starts y3, 5. No 4, no y4. Only it is a triangle. There are three vertices, three coordinates. And here x3. Third bracket in front of the third bracket we are writing x3 y1 minus 5 odd. Now simply substitute. Make it here equals half x1. What is x1 here? 2. What is y2? 0. y3 minus 4. In formula there is minus. Here minus into minus becomes plus. So you write here plus 4. Okay, first bracket is over. Now come to second bracket. What is there? x2 minus 1 of y3 minus 4 y1 is there 3 minus 3. Second bracket is over. Now come to third bracket. y1 3 x3 2 of y1 3 y2 0. This is modulus modulus. In this bracket we get negative value, but taken as positive. So this is half. Here 4. So 4 plus 0, 4. 2 into 4, 8. Minus 4, minus 3. Sum of these two like terms is minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 1. Plus 7. Second bracket. Third bracket. 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6 plus 6. Close. Total. 15 plus 7, 18 plus 7, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. 1 by 2 into 21, that is 10.5 square units. Area, no? For every area, we have to write square units. Right. This is the solution of finding area of the triangle. Very interesting and important. Easy to learn. See, write 10 times formula. Half modulus. There are 3 brackets. Why 3 only? Because a triangle contains 3 vertices. 3 vertices, 3 brackets. x1, x2, x3. First bracket starts with x1. Second bracket starts with x2. Third bracket starts with 3. 3 brackets. And after, when we write here x1, here starts y2 minus y3. When we start here 2, we start y3 minus y1. And when we start here x3, order is 1 minus 2. Like this is the order. Don't confuse. And clearly I am saying, you practice, then substitute the values. For writing the formula half mark, and writing x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, identifying the coordinates and substitution. Under 2 months they ask. Please practice the formula. Now, second question, remaining 2 problems you practice at home. Otherwise, I will explain second also. All negatives are given. Don't confuse. Now, second question. Minus 5, first coordinate. First vertex is minus 5 minus 1, and second B 3 comma minus 5, C 5 comma 2. Okay. Now these 3 vertices are given. Second problem, A vertex A minus 5 minus 1, vertex B 3 minus 5, C 5 2. Given these vertices, we have to identify this as x1 y1, this is x2 y2, x3 y3. To avoid confusion, write like this. Next, write the formula. Next, substitute the values. Half modulus. Modulus meaning is if we get minus, it is taken as positive numerical value only, because the area of the triangle never be minus. So treat as plus numerical value. Take only numerical value. Take only number. Don't take minus. Area number will be in negative. That's why we use modulus. Modulus meaning is whether it is plus or minus. Take only numerical value. Treat as positive. Okay. Half modulus x1 first bracket minus 5 and y2 minus 5 and y3 minus 2. First bracket is over. And in the second bracket x2 3 of y3 2 minus y1. Y1 is minus 1. Minus of minus becomes plus. Oh, second bracket. So now come to third bracket. X3 5 y1 minus 1 and y2 is minus 5. Minus of minus becomes plus 5. Close the modulus. Now simplify the first bracket. First bracket minus 5 and minus 7. 2 plus 1 3. 5 minus 1 4. Minus 5 into minus 7 plus 35 plus 35 minus into minus plus 35 plus 3 into 3 9 5 into 4 20. Okay. Now half 35 plus 9 44 44 plus 20 64. Cut cancel 2 ones are 2 32. So answer is 32 square units. 32 square units. This is the answer. So like that you have to do. Very interesting problems. Don't confuse. Practice this formula and simply sum. Let's do third problem at home. And second question. Now second question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. K for which the points are collinear. For which the points are collinear. The points are collinear. Points are given here. Number 1. A 7 comma minus 2. B 5 comma 1. C 3 comma k. Find k. Here collinear which lie on the same line. If the points lie on the same line, the points are called collinear. Collinear meaning is they lie on the same line. That means there is no formation of triangle. There is no triangle. There is no third vertex. All the 3 points are lying on the same line. The meaning is area of the triangle is 0 because no formation of triangle. There is no existence of triangle. We are not getting a triangle. Only simply straight line. Straight line meaning is area of the triangle is 0. That we have to write. Of triangle area x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 of this. So right here the coordinates are given. Let first be first coordinate x1 y1, second coordinate x2 y2, third coordinate x3 y3. Here area of the triangle given. Area of the triangle is 0. Now substitute in the formula. Here area given, area of the triangle given, that is 0. 0, when it is 0, the points are collinear. The points are collinear. Now substitute. Half first bracket x1 7 y2 1 minus y3 k. First bracket is over. Come to second bracket x2 5 and y3 k minus y1 minus 2 minus of minus becomes plus. Third bracket 3 y1 minus 2 y2 minus 1. Now this is half. Multiply 7 1 is 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 and minus 2 minus 1, sum of these two is minus 3, so 3 into 3 minus 9. So like this. First bracket 7 1 is 7 7k, second bracket 5k plus 5 to the 10. Third bracket minus 2 minus 1, sum of these two is minus 3, 3 into minus 3 minus 9. Now there are two cases and the numbers are 7, 10, 9. Now see half area 0, area 0, area 0 given. Collinear. Collinear meaning is area of the triangle is 0. Now minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k and 7 plus 10 17, 17 minus 9 8 plus 8. This is equal to y2 will come this side as into. Now this is minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 2 into 0. Now this plus 8 will go that side as minus 2 2k is equal to, this is 0, minus 8, this is 0. So minus minus becomes plus, k is equal to 4. 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. 8 by 2 is 4. Otherwise, write here 8 by 2 is equal to 4. K equal to 4. Like this, you have to find K. These are all important. They will be asked under 2 marks. One more problem of this type. Eight one a minus 4 and c 2 comma minus 5. Second question. Second one, second two. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Collinear meaning is area of the triangle is 0. Collinear meaning is collinear means area of the triangle is 0 or the points lie on the same line. The points lie on the same line. The points are lying on the same line. The points are called as collinear. That meaning, other meaning is area of the triangle is 0. No formation of triangle. No existence of triangle because they are lying on the same line. Do this problem. Second one. Now first bracket x1 8 y2 minus 4 y3 minus 5 becomes plus 5. Next x2 8 y3 minus 5 y1 minus 1 plus x3. x3 means 2 and y1 8, y2 minus 4 becomes plus 4. Simplifying my 5 minus 4 1 minus 5 and plus minus 1 minus 6. 8 plus 4 12. Multiply 8 ones are 8 plus minus 6k plus 24 minus 0. This 2 will come this side. This is 24 plus 8, 32 minus 6k plus 32. X1, what are the points? 8, 1, k minus 4, 2 minus 5. Okay. X1, 8, y2 minus 4, minus y3 plus 5. Okay. Second, k x2, y3 minus 5 minus 1. Third co-bracket x3 2, y1 1 here y1 is 8, 1 not 8, y1 and y2 minus 4 plus 4, so this is 5, 5 2s are 10, this is 10 plus 8 18. Oh. Now this 2 will come this side as 0. So now we write like this, minus 6k plus 18 is equal to 0. Minus 6k is equal to minus 18. Plus 18 will go that side as minus. Minus minus becomes plus. Therefore, k is equal to 18 by 6. 6 1s are 6 3s. So k value is 3. So these are the problems really interesting. These such questions will be asked under 2 marks. Collinear, definitely you will get one question on this. Collinear meaning is it is related to area of the triangle 0, or in the first exercise also given one problem, so that these points are collinear, their distance formula we can also apply triangle area. Triangle area also we can apply. Collinear meaning is area of the triangle is 0. We can do any method, by distance formula also we can, but this is it will be given in area of the triangle. So we are using area of the triangle 0. Or we can put AB plus BC is equal to AC. We did in first exercise.